Are you somebody who wants to code faster, smarter, and with more confidence? Well, you're in the right place. Hi, my name is Jayant Rasamsetti, and welcome to this video on mastering coding prompts and using the best AI tools for coders. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, leveraging AI in your coding process is going to be a game changer. In this short video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about using coding prompts effectively, the best AI tools to boost your coding productivity, and how to avoid common pitfalls. By the end, you'll be able to code smarter, not harder, using AI. First, what are coding prompts? Simply put, coding prompts are targeted instructions you give to AI like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot to generate code. Google Collaboratory also has this right now. Think of it like a conversation with AI. What you ask it to do, it will attempt to fulfill. These prompts are designed to tell AI exactly what you need in a coding context. Why does this matter? Well, coding prompts save you hours of work. They allow you to quickly generate code snippets, debug errors, and even optimize your existing code. Imagine having a copilot that can assist you with repetitive tasks or provide you with boilerplate code in seconds. That's the power of coding prompts. For example, you can use prompts to generate boilerplate code such as setting up basic Python or generating some HTML template. You can also use them to fix errors in your code, such as asking ChatGPT to debug an algorithm or explain why your function isn't working. Another common use is optimization. Ask AI to improve your code's efficiency and it will suggest alternatives. You can think of it for algorithms and structures to increase the runtime. Remember big O of n or big O of log n? Now, not all prompts are created equal. The clearer and more precise you are, the better the output. If you give a vague prompt, such as write Python code, you might get something equally vague, simple, or irrelevant. But if you're high on specificity, like write Python code to parse a CSV file and calculate the average of a column, you're much more likely to get useful results. One trick to getting better results is iterative refinement. Don't expect the AI to get everything perfect on the first try. Start with a general prompt and then refine it based on what AI gives you. For instance, you might start with a request for a basic data structure and then ask it to add error handling, optimize it for speed, and make it more readable. Here's a good example of a bad prompt: generate Python code. This is way too broad and will give you generic results. Instead, try something like write Python code to read data from a CSV file, calculate the sum of a specific column, and output the result as a JSON object. See the difference? The second one is clear, actionable, and will produce far more useful code. Let's talk tools. First up is ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT is fantastic for generating code snippets, explaining complex concepts, and even debugging. It's a great tool if you're learning to learn while coding because it helps reasoning step by step. You can give it a prompt and it'll walk you through the logic behind the code it generates. You don't need the latest version. As of this recording, 4.0 is good, and you don't need a paid version too. Next up is GitHub Copilot, which is a powerful AI that integrates right into your code editor. This tool suggests code as you type, helping you complete functions, write loops, and even entire classes without missing a beat. It's like having an AI-powered coding assistant working alongside you in real time. And it's particularly useful for repetitive coding tasks or when you're working with few libraries. Another tool worth mentioning is Kite. Kite provides AI-powered completions as you type, but it focuses heavily on speed and accuracy. If you want to learn code faster and reduce syntax errors, Kite is your tool. It's perfect for Python developers, but it also supports other languages such as JavaScript, Java, Go, Ruby, Rust, so on and so forth. Tab 9 is similar to Kite, but it supports more languages and has better prediction capabilities for code completions. It learns from your coding style and offers autocomplete suggestions that can help you increase your workflow significantly. Finally, I love this tool. It's Replit, a browser-based coding environment that makes it easy to write, test, and run code directly in your browser. With Replit, you can collaborate with others and use AI to write, debug, and even autocorrect your code all in one platform. Now, AI isn't perfect. It sometimes generates code that doesn't work or it isn't the most optimized. And that's okay. AI tools are here to assist you, but they aren't a substitute for understanding the code that you're writing. And be careful in interviews, they still will ask you to explain and write code without an AI copilot. The best strategy is to use AI as a learning tool. Review the code it generates and understand how it works, and make improvements wherever necessary. Always make sure you know why the AI made certain choices that you can confidently modify the code when needed. So let's recap what we've covered today. We've talked about how to write effectively coding prompts, the best AI tools for coders, and how you can use AI to enhance your workflow. Remember, the goal isn't to get code from AI, but to understand and improve it so you can become a better coder. Now it's your turn. Start incorporating these AI tools into your coding routine. Whether you're debugging, optimizing code, or learning new concepts, these tools can save you time and help you learn faster. Begin experimenting with different prompts and see how AI can accelerate your coding journey. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out our paid course, the link to which should be below, in the description for a deeper dive into AI tools for coders. Keep coding smarter, not harder. Something amazing is going to happen. Thank you.